Hi, my name's Owain Dobson. I'm the project manager for Crown House Technologies. I look after all the mechanical and electrical services at Hafan. My main purpose is looking after the mechanical and electrical services, doing the construction phase, making sure that everyone's safe, that we follow all the procedures, follow all the specifications, and coming to the end of it, making sure that we commission the building in line with the user requirements. The performance of the team as a whole has been excellent. The one team approach, not just from within Crown House and Marlborough, but with the clients, with the leads, the whole involvement of everyone in this project, right down to the user groups, has been exceptional. And I feel quite proud of that, and obviously building it at the speed that we've done has been exceptional as well. I think it's the user or the client interaction with this job. I've never experienced such a close client relationship in a project, and I think it's not only been beneficial for us as the construction team, but for the client as well. 3/4 of the building has probably been manufactured off-site and delivered in the form of modules. The speed of construction, especially for the structure, was phenomenal, probably twice the speed of what a traditional build would be. And also reduced the labour on site by probably around 60% at that point, which not only made the site a lot cleaner, but also a lot safer. And the environment that I think that we've created here will be great for the patients, especially compared to where they're coming from now. I think the change in environment is going to be phenomenal, and hopefully they'll be pleased with that.